Hello friends. In this video, I will show you how you can create unlimited AI videos using Google View 3.1. Using Flow, we can create limited videos with the free plan. Like we check the plan of Google Flow. In the free plan, we get 100 credits at the start and 50 credits per day. And it also show a video with the watermark, so it will not look good. If we talk about the premium version, premium packages, the first package is of $20 approximately, with only 1000 monthly credits. So this is very low. In the largest package of Google Flow with AI Ultra, $125. And here we can create a lot of videos, but the price is very high. $120, $25 price is very high. uh, I will show you a trick to create unlimited AI videos. First we create a video using Google Flow, and in the second I will create the same video using my website, where we can create unlimited AI videos. First we go to Flow, and here I just create a new project, and here you can view we have 30 AI credits. If we create a video, then it will consume up to 10 AI credits. So we can create only uh, 10 to 13 videos. Like if I just put this one, and it will use 20 credits. So we can create only uh, uh, 5 to 7 videos using Google Flow, but with watermark. Now I will show you how you can create unlimited videos without watermark. So search for this veoaifree.com, or simply go to Google and search for VEOAI free. And this is a website where you can create unlimited AI videos. We start with creating a video. We will also compare the result with the Google Flow. I just logged in, so I log out this. So this website does not require registration, login, user sign up. This website does not require. So I just put the same prompt in the prompt box and click on generate. In the meantime, we check the flow result, and the flow generated the video. But in the video like this, you can view it's showing VEO watermark. So flow shows a watermark, so it's not look good. We also can create only 5 to 6 videos per day using flow. But using this website, we can create unlimited AI videos for free. We can create two type of videos in the portrait and landscape both version. The AI video is generated. Now you can view. We watch this video, and you can view the result is very good, and there is no watermark. We can also download this video. This website is unlimited. You can create unlimited AI videos without registration, without watermark, without paying anything. If you like this website, then please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.